It's me, Samara here. So today I got a Barbie kitchen set, and there's something really cool here. They say you have to put some waters in here, and then you can make cream come out. So you can see there's no cream, but then when you put water, magic! Cream start coming. So let's open this out. This is cool, you guys. Okay. Looks like I cannot open it so far. Let me just bring it to my magic room. Any day now. I mean my magic portal. Yes, I throw it to my magic portal. You can hear it breaking, right? You can hear it breaking. That's cool. Are you done, magic portal? Oh, it threw it back. Oh, look at this. It didn't open nicely, but wait a second. What is this? A map. Maybe it can show us what you should do about putting the water stuff like that. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Let me see. Yeah. I'm reading in the wrong side or what? Let me just bring it to my magic portal, and then they will read it for me. Okay, you can hear it. Magic portal, can you go get some scissors for me, please? Hello, magic portal. Are you done reading? You need to go take some scissors for me. We need to save this girl. Okay, first we need to take out his shoes. Come on. Okay, we can do it. Magic portal. Remember what I tell you? Okay, the magic portal needs that. So, I guess I'm gonna sleep here. Well, I'm gonna see you guys later. Bye. Hi guys, I'm back, and here it is, the pretty doll. The pretty doll. Look at her. And then, now we're gonna have something's gonna happen. Just something. Okay, just need to take something out of here. Got this out of here. Are you ready? I think you're all ready. Okay, there's water in there. So, we're gonna... Okay. I hope this works. Look, you guys! Look! Whoa! Look, we're spraying it on there. We're spraying. Look, we sprayed it. Yay! Okay, wow, this is great. Oh my gosh, this is great. Oh my god, look at that. Okay, next one. Next one. Whoa, put it on, spray it on. What will happen if I do this? Wow, that is magical. Oh my gosh, if you scratch it. Okay, paint. Paint. Oh my gosh, it fell. There's no more water. Stick a little bit of water. Never mind, there's no more water. Okay, I think that's all. How you make it to white. Now we just gotta wait it to turn into white. You gotta put it in the oven. Hey, who put bread inside the oven? Okay, gotta put the bread out. Well, oh no. Okay, gotta put it in. Put you in. Okay. Okay, they're done. Well, look at the stuff. Well, look at the strawberry thing cupcake. Now you gotta put the whipped cream. Look at the whipped cream everywhere. Ooh, nice. You put the up color. Now this is correct. Me, because I'm blue. It's a rubber. Okay, now we're done. We put some pattern here. Well, that will. Oh, we also have this, like that stuff, you know. You can mix. Well, then you got a spoon. You can scoop up, and then the mitten. Well, goodbye.